In this video, I'll be showing you how to install SIM card on Android phone. Now, Samsung Galaxy phones have the SIM tray located at the bottom edge of the device. This is a change from older models that had the tray on the side or at the top. So what you want to do is on the bottom of your Galaxy phone, there are two small holes. One is for the microphone and one is for the SIM tray. So what you want to do is the SIM tray hole sits inside a small rectangular outline, which in my instance, I'm using an S25 Ultra. It's on the right side of my charging port. So what you want to do is locate your SIM ejection tool, which is the metal pin that came in the box, and a small paper clip also works in a pinch. So insert the pin vertically into the hole on the SIM tray, press firmly until you hear the tray pop out slightly. Then use your fingernails to pull the tray completely out of the phone. And then all you got to do is place your nano SIM card into the tray, and one corner of the card is clipped or diagonal. Match this with the shape of the tray. And that's literally it. Then just select, secure it, press it back into your phone, and it should detect. And now what you could also do is go over to your settings, then go to connections, then go over to SIM manager. You can add an eSIM as well, which most providers now actually prefer you to do just because it's a lot easier and quicker, and you don't need a physical SIM card for that.